Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Are established covering the 139 castes enlisted in the BC list. My government is providing an annual cash incentive of Rs 10,000 under YSR Vahanamitra scheme to 2.74 lakh driver come owner of autos and taxi to meet maintenance expenses. Under the EBC NISTAM for economically backward caste, my government will provide assistance to women aged between 45 to 60 years at the rate of 15,000 per year. Women welfare. Under the YSR Asara scheme, an amount of rupees 6,792.21 crores was credited into account of 87,74,674 women SHG members. Under YSR Sunavadi, my government is providing zero interest loans to DWCRA SHGs rupees 1,399.79 crores was credited to the accounts of 8.78 lakh SHGs covering 9.36 lakhs members. Through YSR Chautha scheme, an amount of rupees 4,604.13 crores was distributed to 24.55 eligible women belonging to SC, ST, BC and minorities aged 45 to 60 years. My government has already signed an MOU with multinational companies like Amul, ITC, HUL, P&G, Reliance and banks to realize the goal of women empowerment. Development, rural and urban infrastructure. Improvement of rural road connectivity creates jobs and drives economic growth. 3,285 kilometers of rural roads are being improved under the PMGSY scheme in a span of 4 years. The state continues its leadership in the implementation of MGNREGA scheme. During 2020-21, 593 lakh person days of wage employment have been generated and rupees 5,957.6 crores of wages have been dispersed. Water resources. Out of the 54 Jalo Agnam irrigation projects, 14 projects have been completed. The works relating to Polabharam, Banchadhara, Nagavali, Valley Gonda, Nellore Barrage, Sangam Barrage, Oak Tunnel, etc. priority projects and the other ongoing projects are in brisk progress. Under the Jal Jeevan Mission, my government is committed to provide every rural household with adequate and safe water for drinking, cooking and other basic needs by 2024. Promotion of renewable energy power projects is one of our priorities. My government had established Andhra Pradesh Green Energy Corporation by operationalizing major industrial corridors, namely Vizag, Chennai Industrial Corridors, Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridors, and Hyderabad Bangalore Industrial Corridors. We are nurturing industrial development around the key nodes. a new Greenfield International Airport at Bhogapuram in Vijayagram district is being developed. The Greenfield Vijayawada Narasimha Reddy Airport at Ovakolu is now operational. My government is developing 6 ports and construct 8 fishing harbors in 2 phases. The state has adopted a port cluster strategy to attract investment and promote industrial development. Industries. A series of incentives are announced for the benefit of the industrialists for SC and ST communities under Jaganana YSR Badugu Vikasam. To support and nurture the growth of MSMEG, my government has declared to support and monitor the implementation of one-time restructuring of MSME loans scheme under an umbrella program, Dr. YSR Navodayaram. Skilling and empowerment. My government has passed a legislation reserving 75% employment for local in the industries and factories that set up in the state. My government has proposed to establish skill university and 25 world-class multi-skill centers in 25 parliamentary constituencies. Transparent and corruption-free governance, village ward secretary system. The village ward secretariat and volunteer system has facilitated the financial assistance to go directly into the bank accounts of the beneficiaries without any leakages. This system proved extremely useful in the current COVID-19 context in